Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the demo of our advanced maintenance module that is created by Vraja Technologies. Our maintenance module is divided into two categories. First is the equipment maintenance and next is the asset maintenance. Equipment maintenance is the module that is created for the smaller scale industries and the products that are to be required for the maintenance on the recurring basis, let's say on computers or laptops or any such small equipment that are present in your business. So we will see its configuration step by step. First of all, we will install the equipment maintenance management module from the Odoo App Store and we will see the configurations. So there are different types of configurations that we have made. So let's go to the configuration and go to the settings. Here is our first configuration to auto-generate the maintenance request and notify. So in case if you want to generate automatically the maintenance request and notify the user, you will check this box. Once you check this box, you will get the option to select the user whom you want to notify when the maintenance request is generated. This is the optional. In case if you don't want to, you can uncheck the box as well. So once you have done this, we will save it. This is the automation that we have created specially for this module. Now next is the maintenance frequency. So this is our second improvement. So let's go to our equipment that we have created. So here I have created two demo equipment to show you and let's open one by one. So here is the equipment that we have created and here is the equipment category. So I'll explain you the difference between the equipment and the equipment category. So let's understand the same. So we have the equipment categories option over here in the configuration where we have different types of equipment categories where we have the computer demo is the equipment categories that I've created. Under the same equipment categories, there are different types of equipments that I've added. So currently in this equipment category, I have two equipments. One is the Lenovo laptop and next is the LG laptop. Here I have selected the equipment category as you can see. Once the equipment categories is selected, we have the maintenance frequency to be selected over here. We have different types of maintenance frequency that are daily, weekly, monthly and yearly. Once you select the daily frequency, the maintenance request will be generated daily and the notification will go to the user which we have selected. So now this is the maintenance frequency that we have to select over here and here is the category that you can see over here. So now next is the maintenance checklist. So as you can see in the configuration, we have the option to create a maintenance checklist. In maintenance checklist, we will create or say add the things that are to be uh, generally inspected by the inspector while they are seeing the product or say the equipment. So when I'm watching the LG laptop for the maintenance request, I have the checklist that is mentioned over here and these are the 4 points that I will have to check. First is the screen mirroring, next is smart TV, battery life and mouse touchpad. These are the basic checklists that I've added. You can add the name and the description over here. So if you go to new, you will have to add name and description over here. So I will add keys, keys. So here is the checklist that I have selected. Once the inspector is checking the equipment, they will have to check all this maintenance checklist that we have created. So these are the 5 checklists that I have created currently and I will show you how to add them in our equipment category. So let's go to the equipment category in the overview. Here is the maintenance checklist. So whichever checklist points that we have mentioned over here are mentioned, the inspector will check the same. So I mentioned 4 and the 5th one that I have added currently and I will save it. Here I will mention the senior manager's name. So once the checklists are completed or say validated, the senior manager will be informed or say notified. So I have selected senior manager as special admin and I have my own email address set over here so that I will show you how the same will be monitored. So here is the next thing that is the checklist and maintenance checklist added in the equipment categories. So these are the 3 steps that we have completed. Now we will go to the next step, that is the scheduler action. So once the scheduler action will be running, you will see the automation that is done. So we will go to the scheduler action where we have the equipment request scheduler action created. Here we will have all the information mentioned and we will run it manually correctly so that we can show you the demo properly. Now we will go back to the maintenance request and refresh it. As we refresh it, you can see that maintenance for LG laptop demo and maintenance for Lenovo laptop demo is created. The request is automatically created. Currently, it is created through the scheduler that we have mentioned over here, and I have run it manually. So now the maintenance request is created. As you open the maintenance request, it will have all the information of the product, also the equipment. Next is the maintenance checklist. So in the maintenance checklist, once the things are validated from here, let's say screen mirroring is done, smart TV is checked, battery life, mouse pad, and keys. All these checklists are done and validated, and let's save it. Once they are validated, the senior manager will be notified. So let's go to the email where you can see this is senior manager mission admin who is notified that the maintenance request has been completed and the checklists are validated. The completion date along with the time is mentioned over here. And when the maintenance request is created, you will get email as such. So I have maintenance request for LG laptop demo and Lenovo laptop demo, as you can see it over here. So here is the main process that we have shown you for the maintenance module of the equipment. And once this is done, you will see the whole process is automated. There is nothing that you have to do it manually. You will have to configure the frequency and only the categories and the checklist. Rest will be done automatically. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you install the module for the Odoo store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@vraja.technologies.com. Thank you.